A marketing plan is a roadmap that guides your business to reach the right customers with the right message at the right time. It answers 5 main questions. Who is my customer? What value do I offer? How will I reach them? How much will it cost? How do I measure success? Without a plan, cross-mark you waste money, cross-mark you attract the wrong customers, cross-mark your efforts are inconsistent. With a plan, white heavy check mark clear focus, white heavy check mark consistent growth, white heavy check mark better results. Think of it as your business GPS. Without it, you're driving blind. Before selling, you must understand your market and customers. Ask, who are they? What problems or needs do they have? How do they make buying decisions? Where do they spend time online and offline? Tip, be specific. Instead of everyone, define your target like young professionals aged 25 to 35 who want convenient and affordable services. Competitor analysis helps you see opportunities and gaps. Ask, who are the top 3 to 5 competitors? What do they do well? Where are they weak? How do they communicate with customers? Tip, don't copy. Find your unique angle and offer more value. Marketing objectives are your goals. They must be smart. Specific, clear and detailed, measurable. You can track results achievable, realistic for your resources relevant, matches your business goals time-bound, has a clear deadline. Examples, increase leads by 20% in 3 months, gain 1,000 social media followers in 2 months, achieve a 15% conversion rate from online campaigns. Without clear objectives, marketing becomes guessing. Marketing strategy answers the question, how will we win customers and stand out? It connects. Customer value channel message. Your value proposition explains why customers should choose you. Ask, what problem do you solve? What benefits do you provide? How are you different from competitors? Tip, keep it simple, clear, and consistent across all platforms. STP framework, small blue diamond segmentation, divide customers into groups based on similarities, demographics, psychographics, behavior, geography. Small blue diamond targeting, choose one main group to focus your marketing on. Tip, don't try to target everyone at once. Focus brings better results. Small blue diamond positioning is how your business is remembered in customers' minds. Ask, what is unique about your brand? How do you want customers to describe you? Good positioning is heavy check mark simple, heavy check mark clear, heavy check mark consistent. Your online promise must match the offline experience. Online marketing creates awareness and builds expectations. Offline marketing delivers the actual experience. If your message is inconsistent, customers lose trust. Tactics are specific actions to implement your strategy. Content builds trust before selling. Types of content: educational, problem-solving, testimonials, or case studies, promotional. Choose platforms based on where your audience spends time. Facebook, broad audience and community engagement, Instagram, visual storytelling and brand awareness, TikTok, short, entertaining clips to reach younger users, YouTube, educational and in-depth content. Paid ads help you reach ready-to-buy customers. Examples, Google ads for high-intent searches, social media ads to generate leads or sales, retargeting ads for website visitors. Rule, test small, measure results, scale what works. Guide potential customers from awareness, interest, action. Example, social media post, website lead form, purchase or booking confirmation. Offline marketing is largely experience-based. Every interaction matters. Friendly staff, clean and professional environment, smooth transactions, quick problem solving. Employees are your offline brand ambassadors. Train them to communicate your brand message, offer additional services, encourage referrals or reviews. Collaborations increase reach and trust. Partner with complementary businesses, participate in local events, network with other organizations. Traditional tools still work if used strategically. Flyers, brochures, banners, business cards, event promotions. Tip, always link offline promotions back to online platforms for tracking. Best marketing combines online and offline actions. Online attracts and educates, offline delivers the experience. Together they build trust, loyalty, and repeat customers. Plan how much to spend and what resources you need. Advertising budget, tools, and platform, staff, or outsourcing. Tip, Start small, test campaigns, scale to ones that work. Track your performance using KPIs, online reach and engagement leads, and conversion rate, cost per acquisition, customer satisfaction. Review regularly and adjust. Marketing is continuous improvement, not one-time work. A complete marketing plan includes market and customer analysis, clear, smart objectives, strong strategy, practical online/offline tactics, budget, and resources performance measurement. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up, like, push pin, subscribe, bell, turn on notifications. Follow us for more business, marketing, and strategy knowledge. Thank you for watching.